Hey class, Lecture 3, Booleans in Python. Booleans are just true or false. Example, past equal sign, false. Type, past, gives bool, so past is a Boolean value, not a string. Key operators, and or, not, and means both sides must be true, or means at least one side is true, it's not flips true to false and vice versa. Let's set up a student example. Student underscore mark equal sign 75, past equal sign, false, student underscore mark 70. And past should print student obtained mark over 70, and past leaf student underscore mark 70, and not past is print student obtained mark over 70 but did not pass. With mark 75 and past false, the LF runs output student obtained mark over 70 but did not pass. Why? Because student underscore mark 70 is true, that past is false, and needs both. True, so the first if fails, not passed becomes true, so the elfix succeeds. Another line from the notes, student mark equals sign 100. Careful with names. Student mark versus student underscore mark are different. Let's use student underscore mark equals sign 100 to keep it consistent. Now, student underscore mark 70 is true, temp equals sign, student underscore mark 70. Or past, since true or false is true, temp is true. That's how it works. If either side is true, result is true, result is true. Let's talk comparisons with string grade equals sign A plus to equal sign grade. Equal sign A, grade is A plus, which is not equal to A, so 'tis true. Now numbers versus strings, 5 equals sign 5, that's false. Different types do not equal each other in Python. Quick recap, Booleans. True false, type is bool, and it requires both true or needs at least one true. Not flips the value. Use clear variable names, student underscore mark versus student mark. Comparisons care about both value and type. Practice, change past to true, and see which branch prints. That's it for Lecture 3. Great job.